a coworker of mine recently went through the divorce process and had good things to say about Harris, so that's how I came to you guys. Not just divorce, but divorce for men, and generally, you know, a more complex family situation. I have 6 children, 2 grown, 4 still at home. Just lots of unusual things that I didn't want to just be pushed into a form kind of. Dan was just instrumental in, and I know you guys do this all the time, but answering dumb questions, reassuring me, you know, again, my crazy what ifs, all that. And he was, again, just very helpful, very respectful of my time when I needed him and when I didn't. He would kind of ping me just to make sure things were on track, because as often is the case, things sort of slowed up and nothing would happen for a while. But honestly, my experience with Javed in my 2 one-hour sessions was so incredible and so useful and helpful. It was at the absolute most stressful point in the process, ironically, not the later part of the process. And he gave me advice that had so much. The impact of that advice, and had I not followed it, could have been disastrous for me. Javed was just amazing. There's just no way to describe it, because he was so thoughtful and again, unique circumstances. So I can't even imagine doing it on my own, let alone without you guys. So the other thing I liked about you guys that you did is, and it wasn't, I never felt like you were bothering me, but there was always these just, hey, do you need anything? I'm a non-billable person, you know, are things going okay? I knew that you guys were always on it. I was married for a long time. I was married very young. I have never even touched this process ever. And so it was so monumentally stressful. And just knowing that I had a firm that I just knew I could rely on you. I had no question that I was going to be okay, even if things didn't go well. Because they don't always, and I know that you can't predict what courts are going to do and spouses, and so knowing that if it got ugly, that I had another approach that I could take and that you guys could handle that, because you've done it